Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This video is a video just showing you how I tighten the roots or the base of the wicks for my client who has probably about maybe 10 or 12 locks. So I'm just using an edge control to lock his roots. And this is just basically what this video is all about. So sit back, enjoy, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell us where you are. Tell us where you're watching from, what country, what state, what airplane, what boat, what ship. Wherever you are, let us know where you're watching from. And thanks for subscribing, and thanks for making this channel the best it can be right now, reaching 18,000 subscribers. Peace. And thanks for watching.